Well, hello, all my beautiful people, my subscribers, my watchers, people that are here for the first time. I'm Monique's Jewels, Monique, and I do jewelry videos, unboxings. I do thrift hauls. I do shop Goodwill, thread up, Bluebox, about anything I can get my little hands on. I have been known to go to antique malls and thrift stores and other places, but with the COVID I have kind of curtailed that right now, but we'll get back to that soon. I have a Bluebox, and it was funny because I got two but I only got the one, so it said the other one will be here tomorrow, which is fine. We'll get busy on that one when it comes. What I do have to show you guys is I'm going to be putting together some bead lots. I'm going to go ahead and keep the beads on the necklaces or whatever, or bracelets. That way, if you guys are reusing the findings or the clasp or rings, they'll be there for you. And I'm going to try to put them, divide them up, because I've got, I don't know, 20 pounds maybe. I'm going to put them into a big bag like this and offer them for, I think, 15, and just chock them full. And all you'll have to do is pay the shipping. So I'm going to work on that this evening. I don't even think I can lift it. It's so heavy. To show you how much I've got. This is just the pearl lot that I've got for crafting. I mean, it's heavy, but that's not as heavy as the other ones. That's the pearl lot. Let's see. This is another lot. And I think that this one, I need to go, I don't think this is the, okay, hold on here. Because I'm looking at something that I might not be sure about yet. Oh, here's some here, and what I'll do is mix these all together. And then this bag, this is the bag. Oh, I can't lift it. Wait a minute. Oh God. Okay, this is probably, I don't know, it might be about 25 pounds. It's got everything. Wood, brass, glass, brass tone, silver tone. So I'm going to divide these up unless somebody wants this humongous piece. These are pieces that are not all broke. Some are. Most of these have missing stones if they have anything wrong with them. Or maybe a broken chain or something like that. So, hold on. There we go. Okay, so that's what I'll be working on this, oh my God, this evening. Holy Moses. That is heavy. Okay. So you can see that's going to be a fun one. But I bought a great big roll of those bubble wrap plastic bags. And then I've got just the plastic shipping bags, so I could put two in one. So I'll come on and do a price point and everything for those bags later on tonight. All right, let's get into it. This one was from, oh my God, North Carolina. This one was from North Carolina. I think the other one I'm getting is from Florida. Was it Fort Lauderdale? It's from Florida. Anyway, so this lot's not fabulous or anything, but it's not, you know, it's not that bad. There was no dirty stuff in the bottom. None. Okay, let's do this, because this is going to get in the way. The jewelry is going to get in the way of the jewelry. That makes a lot of sense. Okay. And I went ahead and went through this box because it was in a bag and it was horrible. It was tangled so bad. Okay, this is just a little brass necklace. It's very pretty. It is approximately from here to here. Let's measure this real quick. Okay. It is about 18 inches. And there's nothing really wrong with it. It's just like a coppery brass tone. And it comes down like that. I think this is the back. And this is the front. Okay, and we'll put, let's see. Let's put $3 on that. I covered my bag up. Hold on here just a second. So we'll put 3 on that. Yeah, I've learned to keep all my stuff in separate bags for each video. That way stuff doesn't get lost. Okay, next, we'll see what's on top here. Okay, this I thought was kind of pretty. This is a surprise, surprise. It's a Premier design, and it does look like a Premier design to me. With the metal here. Let's see. Not today. I can hear the dog. Not today, Satan. So it's really pretty. It has nowhere. The wire that connects everything is kind of a gold black mixture of a, you know, almost a sparkly. It's really pretty. And there's the Premier design right there. And I'll put, let's see, I'll put 4 on that. That's really pretty. I'll put that up there. I've been trying to keep the signed pieces in bags kind of by themselves. That way I can get to them if I do a video that has nothing but signed pieces, which I think I will do. Oh boy. They are not having it. It rained all day today, so they haven't been outside. This is pretty. This is just plastic. That's about 16, I would say, but it's that pretty yellow. And I'll put $3 on that. It's pretty. Okay. I think I'll set it in here. And I can't forget I've got that rose. That whole thing of rose jewelry. It's like a whole lot. And it's really cute. So here we have some more yellow. I think that matches. Okay, I got some earrings. I actually found a couple sets. I couldn't believe it. This is really kind of pretty. There's no maker mark. There's a lobster on it. Look at that. That's pretty. It's got like highlight in a yellow, but I don't think it's actual. I think it's plastic. I don't know. It's kind of cold. It's pretty. And these are the earrings. That would be pretty for the summer. It's not real heavy either. Come on, cooperate, guys. Cooperate. So I'll put 5 on that. That's pretty. That yellow. It looks like a little bumblebee. Okay, next. Let's get this big chunker. This is what they call a torque or a cuff necklace. This Premier design has a couple of these. I don't think that's what this is, but it's cute. The pendant goes here like it would hang off the end there. And it's flexible enough to, it could, you know, be bigger and smaller. I think you can see how big it is and tell. It's done, you know, you can't really tell. It's 5 inches across at the widest. But yeah, it's pretty. So I'll put 3 on that. Torque. That's a weird word, isn't it? Torque. Okay, let me look at these real good. These are just kind of like kitty play beads. And there's nothing wrong with them, so I just put $2. Yeah, there's a little bit wrong right there. Let's just put $1. Let's put this into crafts. Crafts. Where's crafts? Crafts is right there. Okay. Now I thought this was real pretty. I cannot tell. I'm getting ready to get out one of my famous wet wipes. I cannot tell. I'm pretty sure that is just a polished, sorry about the noise, sorry. It's just a polished wood, but it is a little, I gotta see if that's dirt. No, that was dirt. You know how wood gets when it's not polished and starts getting weathered? I'm thinking that's what's wrong with this, but it was just filthy. Not filthy, but you know what I mean. No wear, just a little dirt. Okay, that looks good now. Okay. Look, that looks really nice. This is real pretty. I think these, I better use my loop. These look like bone, but they could be plastic. I use my loop. Okay. Looking for the cross. No, that looks like bone to me. I'll use my real serious loop here. Come on. Yeah, it's either bone or a resin because it's shiny. You know, bone is not really super shiny unless it's polished. So this is pretty. I like the beads here. It's an older piece. It's got that style there, not super old. So let's put, let's put 4 on it just because it's unusual. And the back doesn't look bad. Okay. Okay, next we've got some bracelets. That's unusual. That's pretty. It's got a shell and it's got a little, it's got a mark. It is, I think it's Roman. Hold on here. W9, 9 West. Isn't that pretty though? I like that. So we'll put, let's put 3 on that. Isn't that pretty? I like it. Ta-da! Yeah, that is pretty. Okay, 9 West for 3. Okay, next we've got, oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, looks good. Let's see here. And it's movable. You know what I mean? It's not real stiff. That's pretty. It's like a gold tone. It's almost a coral color. That's clear with a, like the backing on it. These have a little gold tone. I think they might be, oh, it looks pretty good. Pretty gold. Yeah, let's put, what do you want to put on this one? Let's see. Let's put 6. That's one of the best I've had in a while. That's nice. And like I said, it moves. And this is the little bamboo. I don't see a mark. It's orange. It's really pretty. And gold tone. And I will measure it for you real quick. It is 2.5 across. So I'll put it on and show you. It's pretty small. Just to get it over your hand, you know, to get it onto your hand, but it's very pretty. So I'll put 3 on that. The bamboo orange and gold. Next we have Avenue, kind of plasticky. Let's see here. This needs a redo. Looks good though. If anybody's interested in it, I will redo the cord to tighten it up. And it's bigger, but it'll stay the same. It'll stay the same size. It just won't be loose. Let's see. Make sure it looks good enough to redo it. Yeah, I think it's, the gold tone's pretty nice. So we'll do $3 if somebody wants it redone. It was $15. Let's set that up there. Okay, next we have just kind of a loose one here. If anybody wants it for beads or anything like that. That's cute. I'll do a craft lot with that for $1. They're kind of sweet. I don't see any markings. If it was marked, I'd probably fix it, but okay, next we have all these little brown beads with hair. Hold on, that is not my hair. Every time I see hair, I think maybe it's mine. I better hush. Yeah, they're all together like that. That'd be nice for a little bead lot. I just put $1 on those and put those in crafts. Okay. Then we have this. Wow. Nice clamper. I don't see a mark. It's really pretty. Looks almost like Brighton. It is oval shaped. It's really nice. Real nice. So I'll put 4 on that clamper. Very pretty. Now, oh, we have another one in the blue. I'll tell you what. Let me see. I'll clean these up and redo the strings, and I'll put $4 on them. Those two together are just too cute. Yeah, I like that. So we'll put 4 on those two, and they'll be redone. Okay, then we have leather. How does this go? Wait a minute. No, it doesn't go like that. Look. How does it go? Does it go like this? Does it stick up? I don't know. It's leather and it's nice. It's like brand new. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe it's supposed to go in. I don't know. I'm not going to worry with it. So we'll just put, I don't know. Let's put $3 on it. There we go. I think that's how it's supposed to be. Maybe somebody else is smarter than me. Let's see here. Oh, I thought it had a mark on it, but it doesn't. Yeah, that's weird. You would think it would just slide right down and fit, but it doesn't. So I'll just put $2 on it, only because the leather is so nice. And all the stones are there. Kind of strange. Okay. So we'll not put it in. Oh, this is pretty. This looks like it's from India. It's a big bangle. It's pretty. It is a black and creamy white, kind of a cream and gold. And it is large and it's nice. It is almost 2 5/8, 6, 7, 2 7/8 across, almost 3. See, 2 6 1/2 8. But yeah, it's big. So we'll put 4 on that. That's nice. I always run my finger along. It's a little bit rough, but it's from where the pieces sit down in. It's pretty. Love it. Very big. Okay, we'll do some. I'll just put all these little bangles together. There's these 4. Kind of the black and silver. And then that's a little fancy one. This is pretty. This is pink. And then it's kind of a rose gold. Probably looks like something you'd get at Victoria's Secret or something. So I got that one. And one that's a Alex and Ani with a little wear, and one of the things is gone. Yeah, we'll do these for $3. How's that sound? Just something to piddle with. This here is a Simply Vera little Shambhala with a Maltese cross, and we'll put 3 on that. It's pretty. It's different. Okay, then we have another stretch. That is really pretty. Let's look. Make sure everything's on these panels. Oh, one's missing. Wow. Got one missing right there. So, as is, it will go into crafting. $4. And it could actually, honestly, that panel could come out. Where'd it go? Yeah, see, if that panel came out and somebody redid this, it would still fit a lot of people. Or put a couple beads in there instead. So that's in crafting if anybody's interested. This one is really pretty. This has the fish hook. It's kind of knotted through here. We'll just put 2 on that. It's pretty. The beads are pretty. We'll put 2 on that. And I'll show you the stuff that has just totally been rejected. Let's see. There's quite a bit. We have this little cha-cha bracelet with the little, let's see if I can get it there without being in that shadow. It's like art glass there. And then these little pieces. Oh, that one's broke. I can't sell it. If anybody wants it for $1, but the disclaimer is this one is broken. But these beads are so pretty. They've got roses on them. Look at this one. Yeah, there's a rose right there. So, it's $1 with a broken bead. Okay? That is the disclaimer. All right. Very pretty. Okay. So, what we've got that is also going to be considered going into crafts. Just a little plastic ring. These 2 little rings. So those would be $1 for all 3 of them. They're in crafts. Okay, these are all single earrings. There's quite a few. Some of them were really pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, I opened this up because I was like, well, this is 10 pounds? I don't think so. Look at that. I thought maybe I'd do a little video also of all of my single earrings. I thought this was cool. Can you tell what? My bead's got like little slots in it that are clear and silver. That was so cool. I was hoping for that one. And that's a plastic bead, but it's pretty. Looks like that rhodochrosite or whatever that stuff is. And that was kind of neat. It's old. Then we have this beauty, which I think I'll set aside just in case I need a big, isn't that beautiful? Just in case I need a big rhinestone. There's no sense in. And then we've got the little horsey pendant and a little horseshoe. That's a crafter. And then we've got this little leaf. I think it's copper. I was hoping for the other one of that. I was going to polish that up. And I think that, well, this was cute. Look at that. Not awful. I don't have the others. And I know none of them will match what I'm getting ready to get. It's coming from a totally different spot in the country. Oh, and then this one. This one's pretty. So I think I'll keep that for rhinestones too. I mean, even if you've never harvested, you know, that might be a good thing to start doing. It's to say stuff like that you can't sell, and then sell it in a group, because there's so many people that do repair. Okay, this is like a swallow. I'm sorry, I'm itching. And it's on a nice silver tone. It is just a costume piece with a little extender there. So I'll put $3 on the bird. Very pretty. And I didn't see anything on him. He's really in great condition though, and the back of him is nice. He's patterned. Yeah, you should have seen me looking at that, trying to see if there was a maker mark. There's about 100 marks on there. But yeah, that's pretty. Very, very cute. Okay, the next one is very olden looking. I can't tell by the clasp. It's bugle beads and seed beads. And I didn't know if anybody would be interested. It does have some stretch to it, but that's just the beads themselves. So I thought I'd put $2 on that because it's really pretty. And it is approximately it's about 13 inches, something like that. So that could very well be a headband, honestly. And that'd be pretty in your hair. Okay, we'll keep moving on here. Okay, we have a faux. It's really pretty. It's a faux turquoise with gold tone, which I love. It's like a copper colored bead. They're just beads. And then you've got this tassel coming down. This is pretty nice, really. These are probably more like howlite here. These, I think, are just ceramic beads. They are not anything as far as stone. These don't have really the... And they're a little bit cool. So those could be real howlite. These are ceramic. And then it's got the toggle there. It's long. It's really pretty. If you had the right outfit for this, this would be gorgeous. So it is right at 24 inches, so it's beautiful. And it's long. So I'll put 6 on that. Very, very nice. Find some copper-colored earrings, and you'd be good to go. Okay, this is glass. It is vintage. Vintage clasp. To me, it looks like little pieces of art glass. They are so cute. It is really, really sweet. Blue and green. Very, very nice. These beads are swirled. They have a swirl pattern to them. Aren't those cute? So, I love stuff like this. So this is 18.5, almost 19 inches of beautiful blue and green. Looks like the ocean. Okay, I'll put, let's see, for the art glass, let's do 6. Just beautiful. Okay, we're moving right along, guys. This is, oh wow, Premier Design. I don't believe it. It's wild. I didn't even know they made the mesh. Ooh, this is pretty, guys. There's Premier Design tag. Look at that baby. Let's see what I do. Yeah, there's a hair. Hold on here. You know, when you get necklaces like this, and even sometimes you just, if they've been worn before, you can just almost guarantee there's going to be a little bit of hair. So I try not to freak out too much. I'm getting so used to it. You know, I think somebody's hair is about the last thing I'm worried about. And then these wipes leave tissue. You know what I mean? A little filament behind sometimes like that. But, yeah, it's really, really pretty. Look at the back. Isn't that cool? It's like chainmail from back in the king, you know, the knights of the round table. No, I'm just kidding. But it is like a brass tone, and it's really, really nice. So let's do 6 on this. That is just gorgeous. I'll set that up there. There's that other Premier Design. That was cool. Okay, this is just a little, she's kind of rough. I don't understand. She's a bit rough, this bead is. So I'm going to put her in crafts. Just for somebody to use, you know. She's okay, but she is a little rough on the back. So let's just do $1 on her. She's pretty though. Her, him, it. Little twit, whatever. Okay, next we have a Charming Charlie. Okay. The reason why I'm showing this is because it's so nice and gold tone. I mean, it's just in excellent condition. I got some things from our Charming Charlies in Indianapolis right before they closed. And a couple of jewelry holders. It's kind of sad. Okay. There we go. We've got the beautiful coral peach. And not even a pink, really, honestly. There's the tag. Look at the gold tone. It's just beautiful. It is really peachy. That is a creamy peach. That is just gorgeous. Just a darker. And it is almost 18, let's see, right at 18 inches. And then you've got about another ½ inch. Between 17.5 and 18.5. And the back of it is in really good shape. Isn't that nice? Okay, let's put 4 on Charming Charlie. Just because it's such pretty springy colors. Man, I'm moving right along. Okay, this is really pretty. Does it have a maker mark? No. Okay, she's long. That's an extender? Oh my God. What? 1, 2. Yep, that's the extender. That is just weird. Why? Let me look at this real good. This doesn't even seem right. Okay, did we get it? Okay. And this is the extender. And this is the other. Okay. So there's 4 there, and there's 4 there. And it's super long. It doesn't even need an extender, but it has one. This is really pretty. So you've got like AB beads here of the dark bluish green. You've got faux pearls and silver tone that's in fabulous shape. Look at this extender. Yeah, isn't that nice? Huge lobster claw. This is really pretty. So So that's your extender. That could also come down in the front of you. Yeah, I like that. So this is nice and long. Wow, it's really pretty. So it is approximately 26 inches at the smallest. So we got 26, 27, 28, and 29, almost 30. So this is a nice hunk of beautifulness. So let's do 7 for this. This is beautiful. The chains are good. It's a rosary style, then a regular style, then I kind of a more of a box, circle box chain there. Yeah, that's cool. Very good. Too bad it's not marked. Okay, we're almost done. Then we have, so we do have a matching set. Wow, good. Almost forgot these earrings over here. We have this set here. It has a beautiful clasp. Very nice extender. Hold on here. There we go. And it is spiky and it is cute. So the spikes are actually a silver tone, a little darker gold. Silver tone, a little darker silver, and some gunmetal of a darker, kind of a black. Isn't that cool? And then the earrings, make sure they're okay. The earrings are a real nice silver tone. There it is. Those cleaned up nice. And then these are nice. Everything looks great. So I'm going to put $7 on this set. And it is approximately, it's got about a 2-inch extender, if not longer. Let's see, 1, 2, yeah, at least 2 inches. So that's 15 inches plus a whole bunch more, and it is very pretty. And it's not sharp or anything, and it's lightweight. Very pretty for the summer. Very, very pretty. Okay, $7. Wonderful. Put the earrings with it. Then we have this pair of Chico's earrings. They're awfully cute. The price on the back is $29.50. Oh my God. Sky blue, big beaded drop something. So that's definitely them. They were on sale for $20. So I'm going to put $5 on them. I think they're cuter in a button. They're just gorgeous. Yeah, I like those. Those are beautiful. Okay, these are called Ellen Man, and I've seen these before. These are from Target, $17.99. They have some expensive jewelry at Target. These are really pretty. They've got a purplish blue stone at the top, and they've got a clear, a light blue, a light pink, and a gray tiny stone going around the bottom. Those are very, very pretty. And I'm going to put 4 on those. They're Ellen Man. And it says, what's it say? A lot of times it has a description. It says made in China. Nope, that's it. Very pretty. Those are summery. Very, very nice. And then I have these little, these are cute, but I don't know. Let's just do $1 on these. Are cute though. I'm afraid some of that foiling might start coming off. I've seen these beads before. Sometimes they don't, but I can feel, but they're really cute. So let's just do $1. The green and gold foil. And then I think that this is actually gemstones. And the reason why is because I think somebody took this necklace apart. This chain is actually butterflies. I'll show it to you up close. It is absolutely darling. Come back here. I mean, it is too cute. Let me show you this way. See? And then, I'm not sure if someone wire wrapped this or someone rewire wrapped it because it was coming loose. But it is just darling. What we have is what I think are actual faceted stones with the amethyst, looks like pink quartz or dyed quartz. Could be aventurine, ametrine, could be jade. And there's some quartz. The blue, I don't know. And there's another purple there. And then you've got seed beads in between here, kind of AB in between. But I'm going to tell you, it looks fabulous on because I put it on. Isn't that pretty? It's a little coarse as far as the back, you know what I mean? But it is just too cute. Summer dress, any color you want. It's fabulous. So I'm putting $8 on it. And like I said, it's not silver or gold or anything like that, but it is too cute. Okay, love it. Let me measure it real quick for you guys. I think it was right at 16 is what I wanted to, let's see, 16, and it could go to 18. Really good size, just darling. I love the stones. The stones are cold, of course. Then we have a really cute silver tone. This had everything tangled. This was one of the main culprits that was getting on my last nerve. Yeah, I took everything out of the bag because I couldn't figure out why I didn't have 10 pounds of jewelry. And then I started dumping it out, and then I'm like, okay. So when I get the box tomorrow, I'll definitely open it with you guys. So I have to apologize, but that was kind of weird. When you get 2 boxes, they come at 2 different times from 2 different spots. I don't know. Okay, this is cute. The back is that, which is kind of cool because if it moves around on your neck, you've still got a really nice pattern. On the back, you've got these little stations here. It is super duper long. It's really nice. Kind of that frosted silver. I really don't see any wear on this. I really don't. This can be worn doubled. See how pretty it is when it's doubled and you've got both sides showing. Have the flat silver and the, yeah, it's really pretty. So doubled it is, I think, 12, and then we got 13. It's about 34 inches doubled. So it's, yeah, 60-something inches total. So I'll put $5 on this just because it's, you know, it's got a little wear there, just a little bit, but it's in great shape to be wearing. Okay. Let's see, let's do $5 on this. No, let's do 4. We'll do 4 on it because I really want somebody to have it. Okay, this one is just so cute. It is actually a tree of life. It's got a little kind of a bronzy gold colored circle around it. I did not find a maker mark. And then it's got these little stations here. And it's got that same little station on the extender right there. And it's in really good shape. Isn't that cute? So I will put $3 on that. That was really pretty. And it is 18 inches. And I'll show it to you close up here. Isn't that precious? Yeah, I like that. Okay, so we'll put that down. And I'll show you the stuff that I just can't sell. Oh, look at the dirt. Oh my God. But that's all part of jewelry. Oh gosh, you guys, I almost forgot the wash fobs. Oh my God. Hold on here. We got time. Oh, it must be pouring down rain. That's why the dogs are so crazy today. I can't go outside. Sorry about the noise. Sorry. But it's awful. Yuck. Okay, we have 3, and they're all in good shape. We have this one here that clips onto your, your pocket, your belt. Your pocket, or probably your pocket or your belt. It's in excellent condition. The watch goes on there. So there's that one. It has to go on your pocket or your belt for it to be able to be used. This is an older style. I've got a couple of my grandfather's from the early 1900s. There's that one. And then, I don't know what this is. Maybe somebody was wearing it as a choker. But it's kind of cool. It's got the 2, you know what I bet this is? For a purse. I bet you it is. Anyway, we've got this thing here. If anybody needs something for a purse in silver, it is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's about 16 inches. That would make a nice handle for a little purse. That'd be nice. Okay, so what I'll do on these are definitely vintage. These are in very good shape. I'm going to do $3 a piece, 3, 3, and 3. Okay? And then I'll show you the rejects, the serious rejects. And they're probably dirty. But that's okay. I can wipe it back up. Yeah, they're filthy. Okay, this one, I was like, oh, that's so pretty. No, it's not. It's got a whole bunch of wear there, but they're nice beads. Dollar crafts. Okay, this one was kind of cute, but it's way too stretched. And it's got goobers. So it's going in the trash can. These medallion pieces are so cool. I have a feeling they were part of a belt. But I thought, you know what? Somebody might really like, yeah, because there's another one there. And it looks like a part of another one there. And part of one there. So I thought somebody might really like these medallions. They're cool. They're like brass. They're really pretty nice shape. Don't quite know, but I'm pretty sure it was the belt. Would have been very pretty. So that's, of course, $1. Okay, next is these beads. I've seen a lot. They're going into trash. They're starting to peel. Okay. This, I was like, oh, that's so pretty. Well, it's got missing stones, and it looks like it was made out of the top of a bottle, a screw top bottle, which it doesn't matter. That's fine. But it's got some missing beads, or stick-on beads, or whatever they are. So that would be fun for a kid, but we don't want them to eat the rhinestones. You have glitter. So, of course, that's $1. And this was cool, but it's got a broken bead, which is a shame. I love ceramic beads. Yeah, that one broke big time. So I thought this would go good in the bead lot. Look at that. That's beautiful. Oh man, these beads are very nice. These are plastic bicones. These are not anything special. Yeah, those are all plastic, but that's plastic. But these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ceramic beads are fabulous. So that will go into crafts for $1. And don't forget, disclaimer, there's a broken bead and it could, you know, hurt your finger, so you'd have to be careful with it. I don't know, that's just trash. This one is super cute. And I was going to show you what I'm going to do. Get off of there. Now, how can we have a tangle? No tangles, no tangles. Anyway, I'll show you what I was going to do with this one. Oh, there's a couple tangled. Wow. You know I hate tangles. Hate them. Hated it. Anyway, come on, guys. Get off of there. I thought this was so cute. There is no maker's mark. It's got a pretty nice, you know, it's nice up here. The silver tone's great. I thought this was so cute, and it's got one missing. It's got one missing, a whole one. It's just weird. So the whole thing fell off. But what I thought I could do is just move this one over here, and then I'd have to, I don't know. Or maybe I can just, I don't know what to do to fix it. Maybe I can move the one in the center out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I'm going to work on it. I think it's really, really pretty. Isn't that cute? So I've got all kind of little things to do. This is something I'm keeping. It is an octopus. And it is so cute. It's got one little stone missing. I thought it was a Betsy Johnson, but it doesn't say anything. He's got a fish in his hand. I just about cracked up laughing. Yeah, it's got one little stone missing. I don't care. He would be watching my jewelry. Okay, so this all kind of goes together. That would have been cute. I'm not sure what it was. But those little pieces like that will go in the trash. This is just an old-fashioned stretchy. This is, I'm not sure what that was. That's trash. These little beads. I can't charge anybody $1 for these. I'm just going to trash. This is a Zad, and it's in pieces. I love their jewelry, though. I was so hoping this was not broken, and it is. I was like, man. So the whole piece that flips over the, what's it called? The clasp, which is a fold-over clasp, is gone. So that one is trash. Nobody can use it for anything. This, even the flowers are kind of ick. So we can put that in trash. That's just a little trash piece. That's, I just, you know, to save something like this is just not even, that's trash. That's broken. This one is probably savable. This, it lost its little fish hook. And it would be so easy to fix it. And these little, the pearls look good. They're not real. But I mean, they have a beautiful color to them. They're not faded. So all it needs is the fisheye clasp here. Or someone needs to take this one off and put a different kind of clasp. So that's $1. But it's really pretty. I mean, the stones are pretty. I mean, the faux pearls are pretty. And then this is called Cassidy. I've never heard of it. It looks old. Look how old that tag looks. It's so old it's faded off. But they have just a tiny bit of wear there. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe some alcohol will get it off, but those are $1. Those are like enamel. This baby here, she has some cute beads. This is worn. It's got some wear. But these beads are pretty. The seed beads and these glass. So I thought I'd put those for $1. For $1. I mean, I like that green. That's broken. I don't think that's important. That's nothing. Somebody might want to use this chain. I put this into crafts. It is a nice toggle. It's not very heavy. And there's some mother of pearl. And then this has a little cut right there. So that would be $1. And then this is the piece we need in silver tone for that other faux pearl set I just put down. That's what we need. That, and that is gross. That's broken. And this is plastic, but this has silver tone and these little mother of pearl discs. And I thought, you know what? Somebody could use those. And all you gotta do is open them up. And maybe use some of the plastic for, I don't know, something. So I'll put that in for $1. The rest is going into the trash. And we are done. We are right at 55 minutes. I think it was not a bad, there's no real trash. Of course, all those one-sided earrings kind of, you know, at least I got some pairs. I've actually had a blue box that I didn't have any pairs. They were just all singles. So this will go into the trash, just because I don't think anybody would even want to use it. And I think what I'll do next is maybe later when I've got some of those bags filled with beads, whether they're, you know, beads that fell off of something or they're actually necklaces that are in crafts, I will show them to you. I could probably do 2 of those bags. I'm thinking 2 bags for maybe 20. So we shall work on that. I'm sorry if that bugs anybody. My daughter can't stand that noise, and I forget. So we will be working on that. Hopefully we'll have the other blue box tomorrow, and in the meantime, I can do that rose lot that I got. So we will talk to you guys here very, very soon. You guys have a good evening. This should upload before late, which is a miracle. And we will talk to you guys later. Thank you. If you haven't already subscribed, remember it's free. If you like my videos, please, I'm begging for thumbs up. So if you guys can give me a thumbs up, that would be so, so wonderful. Talk to you guys tomorrow for sure, and maybe even tonight.